Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video, and here's a quick tip to appear offline over on WhatsApp. So let's get started. Now first of all, open up your WhatsApp. Now simply click on these three vertical dots which are located in the top right corner and then go to settings. Once you're in your WhatsApp settings, now you're gonna go to privacy, and as you can see here we have last seen and online. Simply click on that, and now we have two options: who can see my last seen and who can see when I'm online. So you need to set both of these. Now first you have to set who can see my last seen to nobody, and then who can see when I'm online to same as last seen. Now nobody can see when you're online. So this is how you can appear offline over on WhatsApp. And this is all for today's video, guys. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.